purpose of this exercise is just to practice computing the cross product, and there's more than one way to do this. So in number 1 I'm not going to use determinants, and in number 2 I will. I copied the formula from the tutorial, the one that doesn't use determinants, and if we have the components for A and the components for B, we just make 3 separate computations for each of the components of the cross product. Let's fill these in. A2 is minus 2, and also here minus 2. B3 would be 7, and B3 also here would be 7. Then we have A3 is 5. B2 is, I'll just fill this out for you. Okay, I just copied A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, etc. from here. And so A cross B is equal to, let's see, the first component